सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. Page 6, verse, introductory verse number 1. Annamayadannamayam athava chaitanyameva chaitanyat द्विजवरा दूरीकर्तुं वाञ्छसि किम्? ब्रूहि गच्छ गच्छ इति. मनीषा पंचकम, written by Shankaracharya with 5 verses. Panchakam, 5 verses. The first word is Manisha. Manisha means conviction in the mind is called Manisha. Manasaha ishte iti manit. From that manit eva manisha. Manisha means conviction or nischaya. The power of the mind. Isha means here ishte, the power. The movement of the mind, the power of the mind is the conviction, that is called buddhi. We can take it as buddhi here. Antahkaranam means it is consisting of mind, buddhi and chitta ahankara. So we can take it as buddhi here, Manisha. That is the meaning. Buddhihi, Manisha, Dhishana, Dhihi, Matihi, all these meanings it comes. Manisha is equal to Buddhihi. Dhishana means that which is having the conviction in it. What conviction? Conviction about the truth, the knowledge. Aham Brahma Asmi iti, the true knowledge. That is called Manisha. That knowledge is given here in 5 verses called Manisha Panchakam. First 4 verses, 4 Mahavakyas, and the last one is only Phalashruti, I said. Now the text begins with the story part, first 2 verses. They won't give number, first verse, second verse. Introductory verses, we say. We need not give number for that, because they won't come under this Manisha Panchakam, because it is only an introduction. What sloka, what we read now, is introductory verse. Annamaya Dannamayam, the Chandala who comes opposite to, in front of Shankaracharya. The Shankaracharya said, Gaccha Gaccha iti. That is the story part, which is the cause for writing the Manisha Panchakam. Therefore, important verses, introductory verses. Otherwise, you won't get base for this Panchakam. Why he has written this Panchakam? So, these are the base for that Panchakam. When Shankaracharya asked that Chandala, Gacha Gacha iti, may you go away, go away. Now the Chandala is asking, what do you mean by the body or Atma which you are asking to go away or to go away? You are addressing my body to go away, or you are addressing my Atma to go away. What is your idea or intention of saying that go away, go away? I want the clarity from you. Bruhi, may you tell me. Kim vanchasi, what you desire? What you desire? You desire my body to go away from you, or you desire my Atma to go away from you? Kim vanchasi? What you desire? Then first line he says, Annamayad Annamayam. From your body, physical body, my physical body has to go away. I am standing in front of your physical body. My physical body is here. You are asking my physical body, Annamayat, from your physical body to go away. Annamayat, from your physical body. Annamayam, my physical body. Gacha iti vanchasi. You desire that body to go away. Because your body and my body both are made out of same matter. There is no difference at all. You are also born same like me, I am also born same like you. And what are all limitations your body has got, my body also has got. What limitations I have got, your body has got. So there is no difference in the body. There is no superiority of your body, inferiority of my body is not there. Both of us are one and the same matter, principle, with Vyadhi, Jara, Marana defects. You cannot say I am free from death, old age, or disease. You cannot say. So, body-wise, you and myself both are one and the same. Body-wise. You cannot say one is superior, one is inferior. So, subtle body also same. You cannot say it is superior and inferior. So, body-wise both are one and the same, made out of same matter, same gunas. Or, since they are not having any difference, distinction, you cannot ask me to go away. Suppose you want me to go away from Atma standpoint, Chaitanyat Chaitanyam. No, I am not asking body to go away, I am asking you Chaitanyam to go away. If you say that also I cannot go away, Chaitanyat Chaitanyam, because Chaitanyam is all pervading. Your Chaitanyam, my Chaitanyam are one and the same. Therefore, it is all pervading. How can I go away from here? Chaitanyat Chaitanyam. That also cannot go because it is all pervading. Body standpoint, both of us one and the same. Atma standpoint also, both of us are one and the same. Now, which one you are asking me to go away? Please tell me. Please tell me, He Dvijavara. Dhuri kartum vanchasi. From Atma, you want to Dhuri kartum means you want to make the body far away from you, from your body. You want to make my body to be far from your body, or you want Atma, my Atma from far away from your Atma. Both are not possible. Both are not possible because both of us are one and the same matter and Chaitanya. Therefore, now please tell me, if you have not understood my question, I will explain you further. The Chandala, who is none other than Lord Shiva. Lord Shiva asking. Further he gives explanation. What type of nature is Atma, he is telling in the next verse, introductory verse that comes in the page number 7. We will read that verse. Up to first verse we saw in the last class. And Chandala is explaining further how Atma is one and the same. It cannot be different. Very beautiful explanation he gives. The whole Vedanta contained here. Now we will read that shloka. Kim Gangambuni Bimbitem Paramanau Chandalavati Payaham Pure Chantaramasti Kanchana Ghati Mrutkumbhayo Ambare Pratyagvastuni nistaranga sahaja Anandavabodhambudhau Viproyam Shvapachoyamidyapi mahanam Koyam vibheda bhramaham. Gangambuni, he gives two examples here how Atma is one and the same in different bodies. Upadhis are different, but Upahitam is one and the same Chaitanyam. Upadhi means medium. Upahitam means Chaitanyam, the Atma, reflecting in the body-mind complex. That examples, one is Pratibimbavada, another is Avachedavada. Reflection example is one, and another one is that pot space confined in the pot. That is called Avachedavada. Abhasavada or Pratibimbavada is one type of Vada. It is a big discussion in advanced Vedantic texts. Abhasavada or Pratibimbavada. Second Vada is Avachedavada. What is this Abhasavada or Pratibimbavada? Means there is water. In that water, sun is reflecting. Our mirror is there, sun is reflecting in the mirror. One sun reflecting in different mirrors concave mirrors, convex means mirrors, or one sun, not your sun, okay, that Surya, that sun reflecting in the ocean, in Kuvam river, dirty water, canal water. Sun is one, but the reflected suns are many. The reflected sun in the ocean is different. The reflected sun in Kuvam water is different, and the reflected sun in the bucket of water size may be different. The reflected sun, there can be a difference because of that medium. Bucket of water, canal water, and ocean water, sea water. One sun has three reflections is reflecting. So that is called abhasa. The reflection is called abhasa or pratibimba. Reflection is called pratibimba. If you talk about this abhasa or pratibimba, it is called Pratibimba-vada. Both are correct only. Some people hold on to Pratibimba-vada more. Some people, philosophers, hold on to Avacheda-vada. So this is called Pratibimba, reflected medium, reflecting medium, reflected sun. This is Drishtanta. The Ashtanta is reflected consciousness and the body medium. The Ashtanta means original and artham. Example we are using to understand the original. Chaitanyam is like a sun, and the body mind complex is like a canal water. Like that, you have to apply. That Chaitanyam is one, reflecting in many bodies. Chidabhasa is there. Chit, Chidabhasa. Chit is like a sun, original Chit and original sun. Chidabhasa is like Pratibimba Surya. Chit Abhasa, Pratibimba Suryaha, both are compared. Chidabhasa is like Pratibimba Suryaha. So Chit Suryaha, Chidabhasa and Surya Pratibimba, Shariram are mind and canal water. Any water, Kuvam river or pond or ocean, whatever, where reflection forms. It's a medium. So medium, reflection and original. In the three you have to see parallel. Then you understand. Medium, reflection and original. Original means either sun or Brahma Chaitanya. So example is sun. The Ashtanta is Chaitanya. Reflected sun, reflected consciousness. Reflecting mediums, either mirror or water. Here, body-mind complex. Drishtanta and Dashtanta. If you understand Drishtanta properly, it is easy for you to understand Dashtanta. That's why in this verse, second introductory verse, Drishtanta and Dashtanta. First two lines are Drishtanta. Second line is Dashtanta. Third line. Third and fourth line comes under Dashtanta. The first line talks about Pratibimba Vada. Vada means argument, constructive argument only. Pratibimba Vada application in the first line. Second line is Avacheda Vada application. What is that Avacheda Vada? Suppose you take the pot. Space is there in the pot. Space is there in the pot. pot space, we say. Ghatavachinna akasha. That akasha, the space, edavali, space confined in the pot, in the hall. Mahakasha is outside space, Ghatakasha is inside space. So this space is confined or limited by the pot medium. Avacheda means confined, restricted area. That is called avacheda. Pot space, the name has come because of pot. Pot space name has come because of pot. If medium is not there, it is called Mahakasha, outer space. Therefore, the space available in the pot is called pot space, Ghata Akasha. Ghata avachinna akasha, Ghatakasha. Similarly, Atma Chaitanyam is confined in the body, all pervading, space like consciousness. All pervading, space like consciousness is confined in the pot like body. Pot like body. Clear? This is called Avacheda Vada. First line Pratibimba Vada, second line Avacheda Vada. How he gives here? Gangambuni Bimbita Ambaramanau Chandala Vatipayaha Pure Cha Antaramasti Kim. First question. Explanation for the first introductory verse he is elaborating. That is like a Sutra Bhuta Prashna. Chandala asking a Sutra Bhuta Prashna. Annamayad Annamayam Duri Kartum Vanchasi. Chaitanyat Chaitanyam Duri Kartum Vanchasi. The Sutra Bhuta Prashna. Now, Vistara Prashna. Elaborately he is asking question. What is that Vistara Prashna? Chaitanyat Chaitanyam he is taking now. That means, example let us see first. Gangambuni, in Ganga water. In Ganga water, Ganga Ambuni, Ambuni means in waters. Bimbita Ambaramanau. Ambaramani means the jewel in the sky. Ambara means Akasha. Ramani means here jewel or gem. Gem like. Sun. Sun is like a gem only. No? All people are wearing diamond rings, diamond studs and all. Shining. Our Surya is also like a diamond shining in the sky. Is also shining in the sky. Therefore here Ramana means Suryaha, who is like a gem in the Ambaram Akasha. Sky gem and pair, Surya. Sky gem or sky jewel. Ambaramanau. Ambaramanau. Ganga Muni Bimbite, who is reflecting in Ganga waters. Bimbite means Pratibimbite. The one who is reflecting in Ganga waters. And the same sun, Chandala Vatipayaha Purecha, who is reflecting in, there is a Chandala colony where he is living. There a lot of small streams will be there. They use taking bath, lot of things they do and wash that all meat and all, animals they cut when they they wash the water, all water is flowing. Chandala Vati means in the street of a Chandala, there is a small canal, water canal is going. Stream of water is going in Chandala street. Vati means street or Vidhi. Chandala, Vati means where Chandala lives, in that street. Vati, Payah Pure. Payaha means water. Pure, when the water stream is there in Chandala street, there also sun reflects or not? There also sun reflects. In that reflection of the sun and that reflection of that sun in the Ganga water, is there any difference? Antaram asti kyum? The verses are giving two messages. Shankaracharya gives two messages. One is Vedantic message for individual self-knowledge sake, one message. Another message is social message. Social inequality is there in the society. To remove that social inequality, that social message, all are one and the same, there is no difference. So the two messages we are receiving from these verses. One is, call him, adjust. Call the driver. One is for individual sake, Vedantic message, that is Atma is one in all bodies and minds. There is no different Atma in one person, another person, another Atma is not there, but it is one and the same. That message for individual, Vedantic message. Another message is social message, all are one and the same. No inequality at all. That is the social message. Now first example, Ganga Ambuni Bimbite Ambaramanau Chandalavati Payaha Bimbite Chandalavati Payapure Bimbite Ambaramanau. That Pratibimba which is reflecting in the Kuvam river, both are one and the same. Both are one and the same. Now, the second half of the second line. This is Pratibimbavada over. Second Avachedavada example is Kanchana Ghati Mritkumbayoho Ambare. Ambara means Akasha. That Akasha in golden pot. Kanchana Ghati means golden pot. Kanchana Ghati means gold pot. That made out of gold. Kanchana Ghati. Kanchana means gold. Ghati means a small pot. Kanchana Ghati. Mrit Kumbha means Mrit means clay. Kumbha means pot. That pot made out of clay. So there is one golden pot, another is clay pot. I hold on to clay pot. I didn't bring the gold pot. You imagine gold pot in my left hand. Okay, this is a clay pot. Now gold pot. Now the space is available in clay pot also and golden pot also. Kanchana Ghati Ambaram, Mrit Kumbha Ambaram, Kanchana Ghati Ambaram. Is there any antaram in that space? You may call differently pot space, clay pot space and golden pot space. You may use the word, different words, but space-wise there is no difference. Space-wise, no difference. This also holds milk or water. This also, golden pot also holds milk or water. Space-wise same. Nama, Rupa, Bhedaha. One is a clay pot, another is a golden pot. Even size may be different. Suppose one is big pot, another is small pot. You can say small space and big space. That smallness and bigness of the space is because of space or because of medium? Medium. It is because of medium. Therefore, you have to understand the difference and distinction. They are because of medium, not because of the space or sun. If a mirror is big, reflection of the sun also big. If medium is very clean, reflection of the sun also very clean. If a reflecting medium is small, reflecting sun also small. Reflecting medium is dirty, that sun also appears, reflecting sun also appears as though dirty. But there is no difference in original sun and original space. Kanchana ghati ambaram, mrit kumbha ambaram. There is no difference. So the differences are because of upadhi. These are all two examples. First one and second one. Kim Gangam, that Kim you have to Antaramasti Kim. Is there any difference? Is there any distinction? The distinction or difference both are because of medium, because of upadhi. The water which is flowing in Chandala street, that is upadhi, medium. And the water which is Ganga water is a medium. But in the reflection, if you see any difference also, the reflection, if you see the difference because of medium. Have you seen convex lens and concave lens any time? In exhibitions and all they keep, and entrance they keep one right side concave lens and other side convex lens, and one mirror you look like a Pushanikkai, another mirror you look like a Murungakai. Have you seen that? If you have not seen, go and see that. And your face looks like a so thin, another you look like so fat. Thank God, your original face is not having that difference. So the difference appearing in the medium, reflecting medium, is because of the medium difference, not in the original. But the appearance of the reflection is because of the medium, differently it appears. The difference you should not apply to the original face. That we do very well, we know that. And we laugh at it also. You don't cry. Suppose you appear like that differently, you don't cry. You know that defect is in the mirror. The difference is in the mirror. You know very well. When you know that, why can't you know this also? Third line and fourth line he tells that Dashtanta. Same way. Same way. Enough of examples? Pratibimba Suryaha avachinna akasha. Pratibimba cannot take place without medium, upadhi. Avachinna akasha cannot take place without medium, pot. So that avachinnam and pratibhimbam are depending upon the medium. Otherwise the two words are irrelevant. If that medium alone is the cause for using the two names, what are the two names? Pratibimba and avacheda. Pratibimba for reflection, avacheda for confinement. Confinement, restricted area. This is avacheda akasha, avachinna akasha. This avachinnata and pratibimba from the standpoint of original or medium. These words what we are using, pratibimba and avacheda, avachinna akasha, because of medium. If you remove the medium, the pratibimba cannot be there, avachinna akasha, the word also cannot be there. What will be there? Bimba and mahakasha. Mahakasha and bimba chaitanyam or bimba suryaha in drishtanta. Like that, chaitanyam atma is also like mahakashavat, bimba suryavat. If you think Surya is so far, bimba surya, you take your own face, bimba mukham, pratibimba mukham and darpanam. Bimba mukham, pratibimba mukham and darpanam. Pratibimba mukham is relevant when there is mirror, darpanam. Darpanam, because of darpanam, pratibimba mukham falls because of bimba mukham. So you are worried about darpanam or pratibimba mukham or bimba mukham. Your all worry is by seeing pratibimba mukham. But really speaking, pratibimba mukham is mithya, unreal. It is formed because of mirror, darpanam. So our interest is not in darpanam, our interest is not in pratibimba mukha, our interest is in only bimba mukha. You apply powder, dabba, little powder to original face, little powder to reflected face also. You apply. You put vibhuti here also, in that pratibimba mukham also konja vibhuti podlam. You will never do that. If you do that, what category you are? Where they will put you? Because this face is also my face only. Let me put bindi, let me put vibhuti, let me put all combing hair and all. If you do that, you are a mental anartha. But we never do that. A normal, healthy person never do that. Why not? Tangibility is available exactly like my face. But what is my intellectual knowledge inside? That face is not real at all. Mirrors have different size, different shape, different dimensions. Pratibimba also can have different dimension, different shape, different appearance. Depends upon the quality of the mirror. But happily you know that you are intact. Same way you apply this to Atma. Sat, Chit, Atma is Pratyak Atmani, Pratyak Vastuni, means the inner self. Vastu means here Sarvada Vasati Bhavati iti Vastu. That is Atma. Normally Vastu means All other objects are called vastus. Why they are called vastu, philosophical meaning. The vastu. This is a vastu. Book is a vastu. House is a vastu. All are vastus, articles. In English we call articles, things. In Sanskrit, Tamil also the vastu. We use the word objects. Why they are called vastu, Mind-boggling answer is there. Vasati sarvada bhavati iti vastu. That's why Pujya Swami Dayananda Saraswati always used the word vastu for Atma. Sarvada vasati iti vastu. What is sarvada vasati? Hal sarvada vasati? Hal doesn't exist at all. It is temporarily, it has come and it goes in time. Really speaking, hall is not there. My goodness. Hall is not there. Wall is there, my dear. 4 walls are there. Wall is there. Is there a wall? Yes, fine. Wall is there, right side and left side. I say wall is not there. It is a mixture of cement and bricks. Wall word is not there. Wall word is there. Wall अंदर वस्तु कड़ियार. பொருள் கிடையாது. Wall, not Tamil wall, English wall. செவர், தமிழில் என்ன சொல்லணும்? செவர். அந்த வால்ங்கிற வஸ்து கிடையாது. Only bricks and cement alone is there. Even cement and bricks are also nothing but made out of mud. Like that you go on and on and on. Sanmoola manviksha. What is the root exactly living in a wall is? Hall is, wall is, cement is, bricks are there, mud is. And that easiness sarvada vasati. That easiness is always there. In the form of easiness, easiness, easiness. That is called vastu. Darpanam asti, jalam asti, that asti sarvada vasati iti vastu. What is there always sarvada means atma, sat principle. That is why sadvastu eva sarvada vasati. Therefore you use the word hall is, world is, tree is, carpet is, chair is, that easiness sarvada vasati. Vastus are exclusive. They may exist, they may not exist. Vyavartakam. They are all always exclusive. They are not permanent, but easiness is permanent. Here also, Pratyak vastuni. Pratyak vastu is here inner self. That I am, the word you use. A male person using I am, a female lady also using I am, a boy is using I am, an old person also using I am. Is there any difference in that I am? That amness is called Pratyak Vastu, non-different. Pratyak Vastuni Nistaranga Sahaja. Nistaranga Sahaja means this Atma, original consciousness, is without any distinctions. In the water, there are no ripples at all. Steady water. Like that here also, Atma Chaitanya means Nistaranga, means tranquil ityartha. Tranquil. Tranquil, sahajan, natural. Ananda avabodha ambudhau. Avabodha means here consciousness. that consciousness whose nature is Ananda. Ananda avabodhambudau. Consciousness, Satyam, Jnanam, Anantam, Brahma. Anandam, Brahma. That is not available for contact. That is the problem. Whatever is available to our eyes for contact, only we believe. None of us focus upon that principle which is not available for perception. Shastra draws our attention to focus our mind upon that invisible, intangible, subtlest consciousness, awareness principle. The more you are qualified with sadhana chatushtaya sampatti, you get the quality to focus on that particular consciousness, Ananda principle. Fortunately, that Ananda principle is my real nature. Fortunately, that consciousness principle is my nature. I am that consciousness. When Guru says, I am that consciousness, I have to say no to Panchakoshas. I am not Annamaya Kosha, I am not Pranamaya Kosha, I am not Manomaya Kosha, I am not Vijnanamaya Kosha, even I am not Anandamaya Kosha also. That is only Pratibimba Ananda. But then who am I, Swamini? This tangible 70 kgs body you want to negate? And the mind you want to negate, prana you want to negate, everything I negate. Where am I? Where am I? நான் இல்லாமலே போயிடுவேனோ பயம் சில பேருக்கு. சுவாமி மோட்சம் வந்தால் என்ன ஆகிடுமோ, என்ன ஆகுமோ? ஒன்றும் ஆகாது. உனக்கு நல்லது, உலகத்துக்கு நல்லது தான். உனக்கு ஞானம் வந்த, if you get ஞானம், it is good for you and good for the world also. You negate the gross body because it is made out of matter, 5 elements. Jadam. I am not Jadam. I am sentient principle. Prana is also matter, subtle matter. Therefore, I am not that prana matter also. In the form of breathing is going on. I am not that. Even mind also, thoughts arising made out of matter. That also I am not. Sattvikamsha. Prana is Rajamsha. Body is Tamasika Amsha. So Tamoguna Amsha, body, Rajoguna Amsha, Prana, Sattvaguna Amsha, Manaha. 3 gunas belong to Maya, matter. How can I say I am body, mind complex? Therefore, I am not. I am not. Then who am I? The one who is negating all these 5, the negator. After negating everything, the one who negates, the negator I am. Negator can never be negated. Negation enna artham? அது தெரியலன்னா கஷ்டம். நெகேஷன்னா இல்லை இல்லைன்னு தள்ளுறது. தள்ளுறது தான் நெகேஷன் அர்த்தம். இது இல்லை அது இல்லை இது இல்லைன்னா எது நான் அல்ல. எது இல்லை இல்லைன்னு யார் சொல்கிறானோ அவன் தான் நெகேட்டர், தள்ளறவன். கரெக்டு தானே தமிழ்? தள்ளறவன். தள்ளறவன்னு தள்ள முடியாது. கரெக்டா? தள்ளறவன் நெகேட்டர். ஃபஸ்ட் டைம் ஐ யூஸிங் திஸ் வேர்டு. தள்ளறவன்னு தள்ள முடியாது. ஏன் முடியாது சுவாமின்னு? தள்ளறவன்னு தள்ளறதுக்கு இன்னொரு தள்ளறவன் வேணும். நெகேட்டர்னு நெகேட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு இன்னொரு நெகேட்டர் வேணும். அப்போ Another negator can never be negated. Observer, I am. Everything is observed. Awarer, I am. I am aware of things. Experiencer, I am. All are experienced by me. Pancha koshas are experienced by me. I am the Pratyagatma Vastu. Pratyak Vastu, inner self, Nistaranga, which is uniform, equal in everyone. I am is uniformly one and the same in every one of us. அதில் ஃபீமேல் நான் மேல் நான்ங்கிறது கிடையாது. ஐ ஆம் ஃபீமேல், ஐ ஆம் ஃபீமேல், மேல் ஐ ஆம் கிடையாது. ஒரே ஐ ஆம் தான். ஐ என்ன கான்ஷியஸ்னஸ், ஆம் என்ன எக்ஸிஸ்டன்ஸ். பிரத்யக் வஸ்துனி நிஸ்தரங் சஹஜா, வெரி வெரி நேச்சுரல். திஸ் ஆனந்தா இஸ் பிம்பானந்தா. ஆனந்த அம்புதௌ, அவபோதாம்புதௌ. What a beautiful language. Ananda means Bimbananda. In sleep, what Ananda you have got in Bimbananda. In waking state, what Ananda you have got is gradational Ananda. That's why in Annamacharya Kirtana, Annamacharya sings, నిండార రాజు నిద్రించు నిద్రయునొకటే అండనే బంటు నిద్ర అదియును ఒకటే అన్న. ద రాజా హూ ఈస్ స్లీపింగ్, హిస్ నిద్ర స్లీప్, దట్ ఆనంద వాట్ హీ ఈస్ ఎంజాయింగ్, అండ్ ద సోల్జర్, ద సైనిక, ద పరిచారిక హూ ఈస్ lying down on the floor, that sleep ananda, both of them are enjoying atmananda. Is there any difference? This Raja is sleeping on the spring cot, silken cot, golden cot. This soldier is sleeping on the floor, hard floor. But the Ananda in that soldier sleep, Ananda in the king sleep, is there any difference in that Ananda? There is no difference. But difference is only in the body. Even in prana there is no difference. What to talk of Ananda, Atmananda. So Bimbananda, that is called Ananda, Bimbananda, Avabodhau. Avabodha means consciousness. Pratyak Vastuni, Nistaranga indicates Sat, Ananda indicates Ananda, and Avabodha indicates consciousness. So, consciousness, existence, principle, Ananda Swarupam brought in third line. Correct? In different words, you have to extract those words. Pratyak Vastuni Nistaranga Sahajam Anandam Avabodham Budhau. Avabodha Ambudhau means, Ambudhi means Ananda. It's like a vast ocean. Consciousness is all pervading like ocean. Ambudhi means ocean. Consciousness is like all pervasive like ocean, all pervasive like space. Here, Ambudham. So, example you should not extend. Swamini, ocean is there only, not here. But consciousness is everywhere. Like, so that is very, very important. Students should have that filtering capacity. Where example should not extend, where to extend. That much is very important. Some people over intelligent, they extend always examples and miss the track. சில பேருக்கு கொஞ்சம் ஓவர் இன்டெலிஜென்ஸ் இருக்கும். That over intelligent people are not fit for Vedanta, really speaking. ஏன்னா அவன் டீச்சர் சொல்கிறதுக்கு முன்னாடி 10 அடி முன்னாடி இருப்பான். 10 அடி முன்னாடின்னா என்ன அர்த்தம்? எல்லாம் ஓவர் எக்ஸ்டெண்ட் பண்ணுவான். எக்ஸாம்பிள்ஸ் எல்லாம் பண்ணி என்ன பண்ணுவான்னா முக்கியமான விஷயம் போட்டு விட்டுடுவான். அப்படியே you'll forget. Therefore, mediocre students are better always. I am not intelligent, Swamini. Can I understand? I say, you only can understand. The over-intelligent people always too much thinking and too much they go beyond, always extend the example. Ambudhau means ocean. So conscious is like ocean. Ocean is not all-pervading. Consciousness is all-pervading. Like ocean, like space. Because ocean is matter, space is matter. They have birth. They disappear after pralaya. But Atma, consciousness will never disappear. So therefore, don't extend the example. Example romba alagu. It is very beautiful as long as you apply up to what extent you have to apply. If you go beyond that range, you lose the track. That happens. Therefore, you require a subtle intellect and filtering capacity where, which point I have to take avabodha, means knowledge. Literal meaning is knowledge. But here translation is consciousness. Because knowledge is consciousness. Every knowledge, pratibodha viditam matam, every knowledge there is a consciousness. In every pratibimbananda there is bimbananda. In every existence of this object, that object, there is samanya satta. So this is beautifully you have to understand. Two levels. Samanya satta, samanya chit, chaitanyam, and bimba ananda, original. All of them are original. General consciousness, general existence, and bimba ananda, original ananda, they are called samanya, general. Samanya satta or shuddha sat, shuddha chit, shuddha ananda. Unadulterated, an artham. Then that Suddha Sat, Suddha Chit, Shuddha Ananda, when they are available with the objects, they become Ashuddha Sat, Ashuddha Chit. Sat can never become Ashuddha because Ashuddha means here association and artham. That Samanya Sat, general existence associated with object, it is Vishesha Sat. Vishesha Satta. Clip is Vishesha Satta. Clip is, that easiness is Vishesha Satta. That consciousness, I am conscious being is Vishesha Satta. I am conscious of clip, I am conscious of so and so, I am conscious of tree, I am conscious of fan. That consciousness is Vishesha Chit, Vishesha Chaitanya. And Ananda, I enjoy this food, I enjoy this dress, I enjoy this, that is Pratibimba Ananda. So, Pratibimba Ananda doesn't exist without Bimba Ananda. Specific Chaitanyam, Vishesha Chaitanyam, or awareness of this object, that object, this Jnanam, of that Jnanam, cannot exist without original Jnanam, Chaitanyam. Similarly, this object exists, that object exists, cannot exist without original Satta. That original Satta, original Chaitanyam, original Ananda alone is the substratum of this entire universe. Because that original Satta, original Chit, original Ananda, formless. That is why you are struggling. That original Satta, Chit, Ananda, you are. What you see is Vishesha Satta. With whom you talk, all human beings, they are all called Vishesha Chaitanya. Vishishta Chaitanya. Vishishta Chaitanya is available here. Original Ananda he mentioned here, there, in the third line. Original Ananda, original Sat, original Chit. Then he says, the fourth line, Viproyam Shwapachaha Ayam Api. Ayam Vipraha this person is Brahmana, this person is Swapachaha. Swapachaha means dog, the rearing person, the one who rears dogs and all. That person, Swapachaha. Mahan Vibheda Brahmaha. You have Brahma delusion. This person is a Brahmana, this person is a Chandala. This division is because of Upadhi. Originally, Vipraha is also Satchit Ananda principle. Chandala is also Satchit Ananda principle. Therefore, from Atma standpoint, both of them are one and the same. But when you come to Vyavaharika, Vaidika karma and all, you have to follow Varna Dharma, Ashrama Dharma. Amma, ellaru onnudha Swamini. Appadana intercaste marriages alla. Marriages alla main for Vaidika karma, Anushthanartham. So, karma sake you follow all rules and regulations, Varna, Ashrama Dharma. But for understanding level, there is no Varna, na Varna, na Ashrama, na Achara, Dharma. Okay. For Anushtanam, for Vyavaharika, Prapancha, lifestyle sake, Varna is required, Ashrama is required. This is only at understanding level. Vipraha, Chandalaha, Ayam. The difference is only Brahmaha, Mahan Brahmaha. It is a great delusion. Atma standpoint, we both are one and the same. Koyam Vibheda Brahmaha. Why you are having this much of delusion? Understand, you and I both are one Atma only, not from the body standpoint, from Atma standpoint. So to understand that you and I both are one and the same, you must follow all Vyavaharika, Varna Dharma, Ashrama Dharmas, then only you understand that. Don't apply this again, extending this to Vyavaharika, body-mind complex. All human beings are one and the same. All people are one and the same. No, we don't accept. From that standpoint, body-mind standpoint, Upadhi standpoints, mind level thinking standpoint, all are not one and the same. But from Atma standpoint, I am everything. Everything is me. Therefore, don't extend it. Okay? Very problematic. These slokas are very, very carefully we have to understand. More in the next class. Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Guru